We've got friendly there. Like, oh, are they friendly? They're not friendly. Get down, get down, get down. Camman shot me from 5 meters in my head.
Our objective is to collect a high value case. Myself and the Grey Fox take the long way round to try and stay undetected by the enemy.
I can't see him, there's one still alive there. One. There's still one alive. The other one just legged it. Oh, good shot. That cheeky bastard just stole my kill. Save some for me. He's trying to spot us. There's another one, there's one to his left. There's one to his left, 5 meters to his left. He's now going to him. I've got a clear shot. Huh? Risk silhouetting ourselves and go that way more and go in, or take a chance and go straight towards the dark wood and hope there's no one in there, because we're not going to see going towards that at all. I don't know if I want to risk walking into that dark woods. There's people sitting in there that we can't see.
We're now close to the compound where we believe the case is being stored. However, we predict that we're going to be vastly outnumbered here. We decide to wait for the rest of our team to start their attack before we move in.
I saw two just on the edge of the woodland over there. I don't know about you, but I think we should maybe wait until they get engaged by our team at the front, rather than us going over there now and just pinging a few out and probably getting shot ourselves.
Yeah.
Wait till we start hearing firing. I might try. We've got friendly there. Like, oh, are they friendly? They're not friendly. Get down, get down, get down. I don't know. The power of my ghillie suit. Come on team, where are you?
Is that somebody moving to our far left?
Yeah, there's someone over there. Yeah, we've got someone very far left. Coming this way. Don't know what team. Yeah, they are. Got friendlies coming in. Should we give some assistance to the right hand side?
I'll see if I can get their attention.
Get the enemy's attention. Oh, you're brave. Camman shot me from 5 metres in my head. I hear it now. You got it?
It's not here.
Oh, what the f.
Turns out the intel we were given was wrong. If you want to see me partner up with the Grey Fox for some more stealthy action, then check out the video on the screen now. I'll see you in the next episode.
Did you see that?